Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 1 hour chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that the structure of the market has changed again. It was Friday yesterday, and as we all know, not yesterday's Friday. Yesterday was very important because we had PC data and also the last trading day of the month. And if you were observing PC data, we were also having a live session. We could not do much because after PC data, market did not move. Market was confusing. Market was going up, going down. So, okay, it was not fruitful. But after some time, market showed some big moves, big red candles. Market came to our support of 2494. Market bounced and ultimately closed at 2503. Okay, so, okay, market came to a support, market bounce, all good. But the problem is that, okay, market was having an ascending triangle pattern. Market was technically clearly indicating that I'm ready to go for a breakout. And right now we can see that things have changed. The story has changed and now we have a sideways market. And that's why market is always full of surprises. So if you are having a buy on gold as a positional trader, swing trader, you can still continue with the buy position because overall the market is still bullish, or you can continue with the buy position as long as gold is trading above 2490. If gold breaks 2490, then you can exit from your buy. Because if this is a sideways market, then obviously we can expect the market to go up by next week. Okay, but if it breaks it, then again we will have a different market structure. It is better to exit. Okay, and if you're having a sell on gold, then obviously you got a nice retracement. I believe many of you have exited because I received many emails and messages where people were having a sell. I guess market gave you the opportunity to exit and you exited. If you're still stuck on a sell right now, then please try to exit. Okay, if market goes up. Now let's look at the market sentiment. Gold falls off record as the dollar and yield rise following key US inflation report. Gold eases from record high. Gold is towards the 2500 per ounce mark on Friday, pulling back from the record high close of 2525 touched earlier in the week amid some pressure from a stronger dollar and higher bond yields. After new economic data is the Fed's urgency to ease monetary restriction. And finally, we are having some uh, recovery on the chart of DXY. DXY is trying to recover. If we compare the fall and with the recovery, then the recovery is very weak. But because of the backing of the fundamentals, the upside may continue. And if we see any big green candle here, then yes, there will be pressure on the chart of gold. So keep your one eye on the chart of DXY as well. Okay. And this is the chart of gold. But let's look at the weekly chart first. Let me remove the drawing. So last week market formed a spinning top pattern, and this week also market has formed a spinning top kind of a pattern, and the spinning top signifies indecision in the market. And the higher time frames have been I won't say betray, okay, but not very helpful for the last couple of weeks, because in on the as per higher time frame a big correction is due, but only God knows when the correction is coming or whether it is coming or not. Okay, so okay, let's not waste time over the weekly chart. But if we go to the daily chart, we can see that overall the market is bullish, market is forming higher highs. So okay, we can expect that if the sell comes or a correction comes, at least market should come around 2420, 2425, but nobody knows when it will come. So let's stick to our beloved hourly time frame. Friends, before I proceed, I have an announcement. You must be knowing that the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop is back again. I conduct a workshop in both Hindi and English language. दोनों language में ही होता है. It's a 7 days workshop followed by 1 month support, specially designed for those people who are struggling with the market, unable to make money for last couple of months and years. Okay. You can see it's a 7 days workshop. There will be 3 consecutive classes here. Okay, and then there will be 4 weekly sessions. These are the dates. You can see Hindi classes. These are the dates, English classes dates, and weekly session dates. But I have an announcement that you don't need to worry. You can join now also. Till the workshop, you'll be receiving free updates, analysis. And after the workshop, yes, you will be receiving the 1 month support that I always give. Okay, so you can join now also, you'll be receiving everything for free. And these are the topics that we will be dealing during the first 3 days. I have carefully chosen the topics. We won't be discussing about SMC, fair value gaps that are available online. We will be dealing with the hardcore concepts that are necessary for trader to survive in the market. And after the workshop, you'll be receiving this stuff like the lot size calculator, very important. Okay, and trade plans. And as I said, 1 month support. In 1 month support, okay, you will be added to a WhatsApp group where you'll be receiving regular market updates, analysis, and we also have live sessions from time to time. And yes, we also have a community on Telegram where you can meet traders from all around the world. You can share ideas, ask questions. Okay, if you want to see how does the group look like, okay, just click here. Okay, I have a sample video here. Okay, you will just get a gist. And these are the topics of the weekly sessions. Okay, and all the classes are conducted over Google Meet, and due to time difference, many people cannot attend. So no need to worry, I record each and every session. Okay, and the best part is the fees, my dear friends. You can see only $20 or rupees 1500 for 7 days workshop with 1 month support. And trading is a journey. Trading takes time. 1 month is less sometimes, or most of the time. Okay, so if you're looking for personal sessions with me, if you're looking for WhatsApp support with me, then yes, you can also sign up for a semi-annual or lifetime. Okay, you'll be receiving all the things for the rest of your life. Semi-annual or lifetime is useful for those who are looking for a career in trading. Okay, and these are the payment methods. Once you are done with the payment, just share a screenshot to this WhatsApp number. I will add you to the group. So that's all. Okay, let's get back to our chart of gold. So my dear friends, we have two possibilities here. First of all, we may see gold to be inside this range till next important event, which is NFP. NFP is a big event, major event, which is coming on Friday. So till Friday, we may see gold in this range. And if it happens, then obviously trading will be very boring for the next week. Because in sideways market, okay, mostly people lose because we lose our patience. In sideways market, things are pretty simple. If you just look at it, buy at support, sell at resistance. But most of the time, okay, market is so slow, market is stuck in the middle, we lose our patience, we take some bad trades and we lose money. That's why sideways market is playing all over the world, and it is very boring, or it will be very boring. So if market goes inside the range, then it will be very boring. And the second possibility is that, okay, because of upside on dollar, okay, and due to some news, okay, we may see gold going down. If it breaks 2494, 2493 area, then we will have some action on the chart of gold. So after the market opening, we will come to know, okay, whether we will be having a sideways boring market till Friday or market going down. So, okay, so the market opening is going to be important. Those who are looking for fresh position in the market, okay, once the market opens, observe the volume. Okay, the volume is going to play a major role. Again, I'm repeating, if you see the market is going up after the market opening, if you have an ongoing buy, you can continue. Okay, and after the market opening, if you see that gold is going down, okay, if you see gold is going down, wait for some time, because to break this particular level here, volume is extremely important. Without volume, there cannot be a breakout or breakdown. It will be a false breakout. Okay, but during the European session, during the US session, if we see that gold is going down, market has formed a big red candle, or gold has crossed 2493 level, in that case we can look for a sell below it. Okay, already the market has tested a level 3 times. Okay, so I won't say that this is a very strong support right now. So there is a possibility that if volume comes, market will break 2493 and go down. And if that happens, we can look for a sell below it. Where is the next big support? The next big support on the chart of gold is around 2470. If you're a positional trader, swing trader, you can look for a buy position again around 2470 or re-entry around 2470. But as a day trader, we can look for a sell below 2493 area if gold breaks this level with volume. If you see that gold is going down with small candles, then please try to avoid, because after some time you may see gold going up again. Okay, that will be much more scary. On Friday, when after making a low of 2494, when market tried to recover, the trend line which was providing support to the market became the resistance here. So after the market opening, if we see gold going up again, okay, avoid this level here. Our next selling opportunity will come around 2510. Around 2510, we will having our next selling opportunity. Do not consider it as a swing traders position. This is a day traders position. Okay, how much we can expect? We can expect 40 pips. Okay, in all the levels we can expect 40 pips only. 2510 because of the 200 moving average. You can see 200 moving average coming up, and the same 200 moving average is around 2510, where we have the FIBO 50% retracement level as well. Okay, so if you see the market is going up, but size of the candles are not significant, small candles means volume is less. In less volume, market find it difficult to break level. Around 2510, if you see market struggling around 2509, you can look for a sell position. The second selling opportunity will be around 2514. Okay, 2514, 2515, and the third selling opportunity will be around 2519, 2521. So these are the three levels on the chart of gold where we can look for a quick sell as a day trader, as a scalper for 40 pips. Okay, and if you're wondering how much should be a stop loss, okay, you can go for a 1:1 reward ratio of 40 pips. So 40 pips SL, 40 pips TP. But keep in mind, volume is going to play a major role here because of some weekend news. We all know that okay, geopolitics, okay, is playing a major role right now. Market is very fragile. So during the weekend, if any news comes out and if we see big green candles right after the market opening, then obviously nothing will work. Try to follow the trend of the market. So market opening is going to play a major role. Okay, and volume. Observe the volume. If market goes up with small candles, each and every level, we can expect 40 pips sell opportunity. Okay, and if market goes down with big red candle, then we can look for a sell below this. Okay, let's wait and watch how does the market market opens, and that will be very important for us. Okay, and stay in touch with the news also. Any news from the Middle East will have a direct impact on the chart of gold for Monday. Okay, and as we all know, when news or fundamentals dominate, nothing will work. Only way to make money and survive is to follow the trend of the market. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Have a lovely weekend. Have some quality time with your friends and family because they are much more important.